Texas, finishing my first year of college. And Lubbock, Texas, finishing my first year of college. And I was at Texas Tech, living in my own apartment, really active in the campus ministry there, Christ in Action. And yeah, just having a grand time in life, not thinking about the future, honestly. I can remember us putting together this time capsule for 2025, and that seemed so far in the future. I had no idea what life would be like then, now. So I was living for the day, living for the moment.